Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, Eclipse is on the jack. For the longest time I wanted to put something here, and a lot of people said put an intercooler. This car is not for that, so it doesn't have a turbo, so no point putting it there, faking it. But anyway, I got something that's gonna fit in there, and I'm gonna show you how to make your own grill on your Eclipse. Alright, so we got this mesh off of the eBay. Pretty inexpensive. It's a plastic, made out of plastic, pretty thick. I really like it. It looks like a honeycomb. But anyway, I already started cutting it. So the dimension is 26 inches long by 8. So I'm gonna cut it 26 long real quick and then 8 wide. So let's do this.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me.
Alright, so it's been cut. As you can see, it's just a rough cut. We're gonna put it in here, check the fitment and the way it looks for the first time. Alright, so there it is. Just a rough estimate how it looks. Alright, so to install it, pretty straightforward. I got it right here with zip ties to this bumper. Right, 2 zip ties here, 2 zip ties there, and then I'm going to continue 2 right there and all the way to the back. And right here on the top, I drill a little hole right there. It's holding there, right there. It's holding there, and then I'm gonna put some on the ends as well. I'm gonna remove these because I tried it. It doesn't work. So let's do that. All right. So we're gonna cut this excess. All right, guys. Look at that. It looks sturdy. Even the front bumper and the bottom part that usually hangs down, that's kind of now lifted up, so that's, you know, tight. Reason for not installing some kind of cover is, of course, you want to get enough cooling for your engine. That's your fans right there. But yeah, look at that. That is much better, way better than having just a hole there. Next is my fog lights. They're here. I'm just missing the brackets. I can't find them. But anyway, that was a pretty easy install, guys. As you've seen, again, like I said, a little bit of zip ties and a little bit of drilling, and there you go, all installed. Anyway, of course, if you're new, consider subscribing. Make sure you like it, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.